Racing just is started. We observe Henry break quickly at the start. Luna Rossa is on the outside. Wild Wind is running by the rail. Honoros comes next. And then followed over by Material Ruler. Good Humor. And then on the inside, the River Gulch Personal File. Miss Manila Super Cup. While Bayou Data is the early trailer run going along for the first turn. We have Wild Wind by about 3 lengths. And in second comes Sir Henry. Luna Rossa is racing in third. Alongside fourth comes Honor Rose. Good Humor comes next. And then followed over by entry number 2, River Gulch. And on the outside comes Material Ruler. Personal File, Miss Manila, Bayou Data. While Super Cup now racing in 11th. And at the fourth turn, we have Wild Wind by our length and a half. Sir Henry in second. Luna Rossa now coming closer in third. Honor Rose comes next. Good Humor. Miss Manila. Material Ruler comes next. River Guards Personal File, Bayou Data, and Super Cup. And as they swing for home, we have Wild Wind this time by about 6 lengths. Moving up now to take second on the outside. Sir Henry by the rail. Honor Rose. Last 75 meters. The curtain of honor belongs to Wild Wind. And second is Honor Rose. Then comes Good Humor, Sir Henry, Luna Rossa, and Miss Manila for your Super 6.